Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota 4Runner Nightshade. Now the most notable features on this Nightshade is its power folding running boards. You also have your navigation system and your heated and cooled front seats. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota 4Runner Nightshade. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Nightshade is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps, and then if we take a closer look, just located in the center of the grille here, you'll see your plug-in block heater. And over on the side, you'll also see your parking sensors with your 20-inch black alloy wheels. Now you do have your integrated signal lamps as well as your foldable mirrors, vortex generators, and the nice thing is you do have the smart key system with it. So with the smart key system you can lock all the doors simultaneously just by pushing on the two little lines you see there on the handle. Pushing it once, it'll lock all the doors automatically, and then if you put your hand between the handle, it'll unlock the front door for you as well. Now when you open up the door, the power folding running boards will actually open up just so that it makes things much easier for you to get inside the vehicle. Now, the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black. And to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your black leather interior seat surfaces with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Taking a look just over on your left-hand side, you have your mirror controls, parking sensors on and off, window wiper de-icer, and then you'll also find your on and off switch for your rear cargo power outlet. Now on the inside of your driver's side door, you have your window locks, power locks, window controls, both your front and rear windows, along with your seat memory controls for your driver 1 and 2. Now a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function, back, mode select, volume control, Bluetooth voice recognition display, and cruise control. Now you do have that push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, you're going to see a couple of different options, which include your cruising range as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, down below on the screen there, you'll also see a digital compass with an exterior temperature gauge. Now, taking a look at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you're going to see a couple of different options, which include your digital clock, hazard lights. Then inside the apps menu, you'll see your navigation audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. You also have your dual zone climate control for your driver and passenger with your heated and cooled front seat controls for your driver and passenger. USB and auxiliary input with your power outlet. Now you do have the 4x4 select, and then you'll also have it matted to a automatic transmission. Now located just at the back here, you will find your open and close for your power rear window. Now you do also have the premium JBL sound system, and if we take a look just at the very top here, you have your auto-dimming rear view mirror, and a couple of the controls you'll see up top here include your integrated garage door opener, open and close for your power rear window, with your tilt up and down feature, along with your traction control on and off, A-track downhill assist control, and your sunglass case holder as well. Now I'm just going to throw this into reverse just so I can show you what the backup camera looks like. So as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines on there, making things much easier for you when you're trying to back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate, now located on your rear bumper. You're going to see your parking sensors just located right across. On the back of the tailgate here, you'll find your backup camera just on your left-hand side, and your rear hatch release located underneath your 4Runner emblem. Now I'm just going to close in on the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much room there is. Now the nice thing is you do have that rear cargo power outlet, so if you're ever out at the cabin or the lake during the weekend and you need to plug in your tools, you can do so. Or if you'd like, you can plug in a mini fridge or a couple of speakers. Now if you do need the additional space, you can fold down that second row. It's a 60-40 split, so depending on what your needs are for, you can have one of them up or both of them up. And for your third row, it's a 50-50 split. But all you have to do to actually fold up the seats, just pull on this middle piece here. Headrests are just located right behind here. And then you have two additional seats for yourself. Now, if you want to fold them back down to the floor, just pull on this piece here and fold the headrests down. And then the piece over on the left-hand side will fold the seat back down into the floor for you. Now the other thing I like is that you can actually open up the power rear window using the controls that you see on the back here. So as long as you have the key fob on you, all you have to do is just hold down on the down button and make sure you hold it the entire time. Because if you don't keep your finger on the button the entire time, it'll keep the window part way open. And then that way you can throw a couple of things back here really quickly. And then when you're all finished up, just hold down on the down button, or up button I should say, and then it will close for you automatically. Now, if you forget to actually lock up your doors, don't worry, because when you close up the window this way, it'll actually lock all the doors for you automatically. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.